In this video protocol, you'll see how to dissociate mouse spleens using gentleMACS, an automated benchtop device that can mechanically disrupt tissues using special tubes to produce viable cell suspensions. Following dissociation, spleens are filtered with MACS pre-separation filters, centrifuged and suspended for further applications.
Hi, my name is Melanie Jungblut. I'm a scientist at Miltenyi Biotec here in Bergisch Gladbach, Germany. Today I will show you the preparation of a single cell suspension out of mouse spleen by using this gentleMACS Dissociator. The gentleMACS Dissociator allows the very easy and fast preparation of a single cell suspension. So, let's get started.
To avoid tedious and often painful manual dissociations, the gentleMACS Dissociator allows one to dissociate tissue very efficiently under controlled and reproducible conditions. Tissue is gently dissociated using violet C-tubes into viable single-cell suspensions. The C-tube provides a septum-sealed opening into the center of the cap, allowing one to pipette from the tube while always maintaining sterility. To suspend the dissociated cells, you will need to use the proper PBS BSA EDTA buffer. The buffer is prepared by adding 1 part of BSA stock solution to 20 parts of AutoMACS rinsing solution containing EDTA. Using the MACS pre-separation filters, dissociated tissue samples are freed from all cell clumps, promoting successful MACS separation and subsequent analysis. To begin the procedure,